Can you see if there's a little chair around here I could use? Look at that!
So, first things first, back off the rim lock.
Right, I need a 10mm. Need a 12mm. If I can edit that 10 out. Next part.
Next part.
Always make sure you're packing Evan in your toolkit.
You get the tube out. I'm going for a coffee. So what you do is you try and get as much of the tyre like this side, where the valve is, to give you, so you like this.
Oh, okay.
Just to give you some,
And then what do you
that
do?
space at the bottom.
And then what do you do?
That's an old tube, dude.
It's not old, mate. I put that one in before I went to the Cape. I actually use my bike. I ride it. Okay? It's not just a show bike.
Like many other KTMs on the planet.
My bag of Coke.
So, to fit new tube,
Yes.
you need to assemble your tyre inflation kit.
These bottles here, and I've never used this, so
See how those threads have been worn flat?
yep.
That's because of bad maintenance. So we're not going to use that. How about we use my tyre inflation kit?
Hang on, stand by, I've got another one. Because I always carry two, so I can damage both of them. Look at that one. One's even got rust on it.
Mate, how old is this kit?
I got that for my 14th birthday. My granddad gave me that. He used it in the war for his soda stream.
So here's one that is in nice working order, and there's one that is not in such nice working order.
Why don't we use yours and you can take mine? Oh, here we go. What's in that? Oh, look how nice and clean everything is.
Look how nice and clean everything is.
Not a lot happening here. Oh, here we go. Holy shit. Evan might know something. Mate, you look like you've been at a party at Pablo Escobar's place. Done.
Need my other can.
It's good to use other people's equipment when you come out in the bush. Why you preserve your own for next time. So just remember, guys, when you're out here, always bring an Evan with you that you can just inflate in case of emergencies. Mate, you were just saying about maintenance, and just so we know that your one's broken and you're now using my equipment. Very good. Done.